Hello my dear students, hope you all are fine. Now let us move to the next exercise, exercise 2.3. This exercise again is a very simple exercise, but definitely we have to be very careful for this exercise. There are lots of series of steps that you have to understand. Very easy, but you have to be very attentive. This we have done in lower standards anyhow. Exercise 2.3, question number 1. Okay, so here what are they asking us to do? Divide polynomial p of x by polynomial g of x. So you have to remember always when we are doing the division, divisor, we need a divisor. Divisor is that one which goes inside. This is the divisor, and this is always, most of the times, it is always p of x. It is given as p of x. It can be small p actually. And dividend is something which actually is sitting over here, and that is always usually g of x. Quotient, when you carry on the division, you will get the quotient, and that is usually shown as q of x, because q for quotient. And now here we get the remainder, and that will be always r of x. Okay, this is basically p of x, g of x, q of x, r of x, and they have a relation between them. What is the relation? The relation is always that dividend, this is algorithm, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the relationship that they have, and when we write, we usually will write as p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. This is what we will write. It's basically the same, but in the rotation form we write it in this fashion. But of course this is what there is a relationship between them. This is not the actual solution that we are going to have. The essence of the solution may be this. The essence of the question is this. Means the moral of the story, we say, that is basically this. But to establish it and to get the actual division is something different. So coming back to question number 1. I just introduced all this p of x, g of x and everything to you. Divide polynomial p of x. So p of x is this. You have to divide this p of x by, first question if I tell, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. First thing that you have to do is that you have to put them into the standard form. Standard form means highest power first, and then go on writing them in decreasing power, and every power should be written 3, 2, 1, 0. So if supposing any one power is missing, so you will have to write it over there. Add coefficient 0x whatever the power is. We will be definitely getting some examples like that. Hope so. Yes, the second one is of that sort. So first thing that you have to do is that put them in write them in the standard form. They are in the standard, especially the dividend. Dividend should be written in the standard form. Divisor, you can take a break, no problem. G of x is equal to x square minus 2. These both you are going to divide. So when you carry on the division, this is going to be the standard form written over here, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and you have to divide by x square minus 2. Now see, this type of steps you will be getting continuously. So this you consider that this is the step, start of a step. You are going to divide this one by the binomial. Okay, now you have to pay attention on the degree of this dividend. Degree of this dividend is 3, and degree of this divisor is 2. Okay, this much you just pay attention, 3 and 2. Now let us proceed. First step, what we should do is that whatever is the sign of this, first step, whatever is the sign of this, you should copy it over here. it is plus, so you can consider it plus. If plus, you don't have to write. If this would have been minus, so I would have written over here minus. First, always copy the sign over here. Fine. Then comes the coefficient part. Now here the coefficient is 1. 1 ones are 1. So here coefficient also is not needed. For sake of your understanding, I'll write it. 1 ones are 1. Okay. Now see, x square into what will be x cube? X square into what is x cube? X square into dash is equal to x cube. Okay, x square, this is x square, into what will give you x cube? Of course, x square into x will give you x cube, and x square, x into x into x square into x will give you x cube. See, you have to be very careful in this. Basically what happens, I'll just go in deep now itself. I won't like to go in some other time. If any student has got any confusion in understanding this, see, basically we are going to use the property of a raised to the power of m into a raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of m plus n. You may be finding this also very complex, but what is this meaning? That when the same powers, when the same bases multiply, their powers add. When the same bases multiply, the powers add. Means if supposing I would have got b raised to the power of 4 into b raised to the power of 5, the answer would have been b raised to the power of 9. Try to understand. There is a multiplication sign over here, b into b, but actually the powers are adding. 4 plus 5, 9. If it would have been c raised to the power of 7 into c raised to the power of 3, so it would have become c raised to the power of 10. This is how we are doing it. Are you getting my point? Powers will always add up to become the new power. Now think, this is the basic platform on which we have to understand this indices. If I modify it further, if supposing I write e raised to the power of 5 into what is equal to e raised to the power of 7. Now you have got a e raised to the power of 5, you have to reach to e raised to the power of 7. So what should be the power of this? This has to be e definitely, because the bases have to be equal. E raised to the power of what? This has to be 2, because 5 plus 2 will give me 7. Are you getting? This is not known. In this question what we are handling, this is not known. We will be knowing this, we will be knowing this. This is not known. How it is written in our questions? In our questions usually they are written in this format. E raised to the power of 5 and e raised to the power of 7 is over here. E raised to the power of 5 into what will give you e raised to the power of 7? E raised to the power of 5 into, now here you will have to consider which number if I add will become 7. 2 when I will add, it will become 7. That is what you have to understand. Though there is multiplication and division, but when you are dealing with the powers, you are going to add the powers so that a new power gets generated. Are you getting, my dear students? So this way it is happening. If supposing this would have been a raised to the power of 3 and here you require a raised to the power of 7. So what will you require over here? 3 plus 4, 7. Here you will get a raised to the power of 4. A cube into what will give me a raised to the power of 7. If I write this in a plain fashion, how do I write? A cube into what is equal to a raised to the power of 7. A cube into a raised to the power of, because I want to reach 7, 4. This is what is happening, but it is happening in this arrangement. Okay, my dear students, so this is how we have reached up to here. I think I will have to go to the, no, it's okay, I can carry on. So returning over here, x square, first I will take care of the coefficient. Remember, 1 ones are 1. Now x square into what will give me x cube? X square into, of course x is required, but what should be the power of this? 2 plus 1 will give me x cube. Okay, so in this way I have done my first quotient. You have to actually supposed to write over here first question, but it's okay now. I have used this space. We can do it in the next problems also. 1x square into 1x will give me, now I will have to do what? I will have to multiply them. See now, this I have got, you understood? First you have to get the first quotient. How will you get the first quotient? This first term, just go and divide this. 1 1s are 1, x square into what will give me x cube, x square into x will give me x cube. Now this is done, x square into x will give me x cube. Now I will have to multiply this also with this. Multiply this also with this. Minus plus minus 2 into 1 2 x hai. So I will have to write it over, not over there. I will have to write it over here. Minus plus minus 2 1s are 2x. Okay, this is done. Now the quotient is formed, the step has come. Now you have to subtract. While subtraction, you know subtraction, this is going to be subtraction. While division, you always subtract this. This is subtraction, but the sign of this will change. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. You have learned this in the chapter simultaneous equations. Okay, so 1x cube minus 1x cube is gone. This will become 0 now. Minus 3x square minus 0 plus 0, whatever it is going to be, minus 3x square plus 5x plus 2x will give you plus 7x. Minus 3 again will be copied down. So this is one level of division complete. Now you are going to do the second level of division, which is basically the same thing what you did over here, you are going to repeat over here. What will I do now? First I will copy this sign over here. Same what I did over here, I am going to repeat over here. First I will copy this sign over here. Then 1, how many is a 3? 3s are 3. X square, of course x square into, I can't write x now. X square into nothing. X square into 1 will be x square. X square into 3 will be x square. So this is multiplied over here and we got this. Then now I have to multiply this with this. Minus minus plus 2 3s are 6. I will write over here plus 6. Of course this also plus minus minus. This I have to remember. First multiply the sign, plus minus minus, then 1 3s are 3, x square into, I will not have to write x to the power of 0, x square. Then I will multiply this, minus 2 into minus 2, minus minus plus 2 3s are 6, I will write it over here, plus 6. I will have to leave one line. Then subtraction, minus will become plus, plus will become minus, this is 0. So minus 3x square plus 3x square will get cancelled. 7x plus 0 will become 7x, minus 6 minus 3 minus 6 will give me minus 9. So again another level of division is complete. Now I go to the next level. Here again this is plus, I will copy over here plus, but this cannot be done. You will have to stop over here. Why? Because x square I cannot convert it into 7x. You will have to stop over here. Let me confirm once. Yes, my dear student, that is your r of x. So when you decide to write over here, so we decide to write over here, we know this whole thing, this is the way what I have to do. Find the quotient in each of the following. That's find the quotient and the remainder, that's all. Therefore qx is equal to this, x minus 3, rx is equal to 7x minus 9. Okay, this is what is done. Anything else they have told? Nothing they have told, that's all. They have not told here to actually, this is most of the times what happens, what I'm again and again confirming is that you are supposed to use this algorithm, division algorithm, that we are supposed to use. Means we have to actually substitute the values over here. Usually, let us see in some other question. No, it's not given over here. I'll just show you once for this question. See, now you have got P of x is this, G of x is this, Q of x you have got after getting this division, R of x is this, you have got after doing this division. Now you have to see that this law is true. P of x means dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. For that, now if they ask you verify the division algorithm, verification of division algorithm, if they ask you, this is not asked, but I'll just tell you because most of the time this is the question which is asked, which is the subordinate of this. So, by division algorithm, the relationship is P of x is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. This is what is the division algorithm. Now we know Px is equal to what? X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. This is Px. Qx, now this you have to do. Now Gx into Qx plus Rx will be equal to, now what is Gx? Are you getting this? This I wrote this separate left hand side. Now this whole right hand side I am using over here. I will substitute the values over here. What is Gx? X square minus 2. What is Qx? X minus 3. Are you getting Gx into Qx plus Rx? What is Rx? 7x minus 9. Are you getting my dear students? In this I have to just substitute in place of Gx. I am writing value of Gx. Gx is x square minus 2 into Qx. What is Qx? I have got x minus 3. Okay, and plus Rx. This is what you have to remember. This relationship you have to remember. Px is equal, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Actually you know this. So now if I solve this, first I will have to multiply the brackets. X square into x will give me x cube plus minus minus x square into 3 will give me 3x square. Then I will multiply this minus 2 minus plus minus 2x minus minus plus 2 3s are 6 plus 7x minus 9. This I will have to open the bracket. Now like terms minus 2x plus 7x, what I will get is x cube minus 2x plus 7x will give me plus 5x. 6 minus 9 will give minus 3. Is this true? Yes, it is. Therefore, P of x is equal to Gx into Q of x plus R of x. Verified from 1 and 2. This part is not asked in this exercise, but you have to remember that you have to solve this. So this I am done once I have done this, but keep it in mind. And if it is not verification, that means your Qx and Rx are wrong. Going to the second question. Here Px is equal to x raised to the power of 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now if you will pay attention over here, x raised to the power of 4 plus 0x cube, x cube is missing, 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This standard form is very important. You may need it, you may not need it. If you don't need it while dividing, it's okay, life is saved, you don't have any problem. But if you need it in between, then you can't go back and then write everything. So you always write it in the standard form first. Now going to gx. X square plus 1 minus x. So x square plus 1 minus x. So I will write this also in the standard form. Here not necessary, I am writing the standard form not for the power sake, but because actually x square minus x plus 1, the constant should be at the end. Because of that I am writing this. Okay. So now these are ready. So now we have to go to find qx and rx. For that, division will start over here. This will be something less. What is this? X raised to the power of 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, this is x square minus x plus 1. Now the same story, my dear student. First quotient. Same story. X square into 1, 1 is 1. Huh? So here x square into, now here see, x square into what will give me x raised to the power of 4. This you have to understand. Oh, this is going to create a problem. See here again, first question, x square, this is x square into what is going to give me x raised to the power of 4. So 2, it has to be, base has to be x, 2 plus what will be 4? 2. So this will be x square. Of course, first you have to copy the sign over here, plus plus. That is all. 1, 1, 1. That's all. Now we can proceed. Now you have to multiply everybody over here one by one. 1 ones are plus plus plus, 1 ones are 1, x square into x square, x raised to the power of 4. Now I will multiply this, minus plus minus x into x square, x cube. See, if this would have not been there then. So again I repeat, minus plus minus, 1 ones are 1, x into x square, x cube. Again now here plus, this is x square, I'll write it over here, plus 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 1x square. Okay, my dear students, slowly, steadily, understand, it is nice. Once you master the process slowly, steadily, then afterwards you will enjoy doing this. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. X raised to the power of 4 minus x raised to the power of 4, this will get cancelled. 0x cube plus 1x cube will give you 1x cube minus 3 minus 1 will give you minus 4x square plus 4x plus 5. Very bad. Okay, now this is plus, so I will copy over here plus. Again now this is, you are on the back to the step 1. Same thing you will do, my dear students. Again 1 ones are 1, x square into dash is x cube. X square into what is going to be x cube. X square into x raised to the power of 1, right? Will be x cube. This both will add up. So x, only x. This is what you are going to have. So now I will start multiplying each and every term by the same new quotient. X square into x will give me x cube. Of course, plus plus plus, minus plus minus, 1 ones are 1, x into x, x square. When there is nothing written, that means 1 is the coefficient. So here actually 1 ones are 1, like this I am getting that. Coming back over here, plus plus plus, 1 into x, 1x. Fine. Now subtraction I will start, minus, this will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. This is 1x cube only, cancelled. minus 4x square plus 1x square. Minus 4 plus 1 will give me minus 3x square. Plus 4x minus 1x will give me plus 3x. Plus 5 will be copied down. This will copy down. Fine. This is done. So now for the next step, again this division we will be doing. Minus I have to copy over here. 1 3s are 3 will give me over here x square into x raised to the power of 0 will give me x square. Fine. Now my multiplication starts. Plus minus 1 into 3 3x square minus plus 1 into 3 3x plus minus 1 3s are 3. Fine. Subtraction starts. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So 3x square minus 3x square plus 3x square will get cancelled. Plus 3x minus 3x will get cancelled. 5 plus 3 will become 8. This is your remainder. 8. Okay. So in this way the division is complete. So now they have just asked you to find only the quotient and the remainder. So you will write qx is equal to x square plus x minus 3 rx is equal to this 8. Okay, my dear student, this is how you have to do. Now my students, what I will tell you all people is that when you finish these questions, now I think you must have understood what is the process. Slight idea you must have got, not understood clearly. Now what I will suggest you is that pause the video over here. Pause the video over here and this question itself, solve this question, complete this division on your own. Try to understand each and every step that I am going through. Actually it is same steps that are repeated. Same steps are repeated. Okay, what is happening over here in this step, with this step, same is happening with this step and then this step is getting repeated. Same will be happening with this step and then this step will be getting repeated. Okay, try to do this on your own. If you get stuck anywhere, then same question, play the video again and understand that question. Why did you get stuck over it anywhere? Understand this question, one question properly. When you have understood this question, and not understood means each and every step, how is every question getting generated, how is this step getting generated, then try the third question on your own. See the third question, x raised to the power of 4, cube is not there, square also is not there. So x raised to the power of 4 plus 0x cube, like this you will have to write, plus 0x square also you will have to write, then minus 5x, then plus 6 will come. And then write it over here and divide it for once. Minus x square 2. Here also you will have to, now this is going to be slightly challenging. Minus x square you will have to take over here. Minus x square plus 2. X square should be written minus x square plus 2. Because it is minus x square, it may confuse you. डरो मत confusion से. अभी जब आ गया है सामने तो आ गया है सामने. Don't worry. I will be solving it right now over here. So once you attempt over there, definitely this will be confusing. I tell you, not everybody, few students may find it confusing, few will be able to solve it, no problem my dear student. See, I tell you, always be the part of the process, whether you enjoy the process, whether you dislike the process, whether you don't understand anything in the process, whether you hate the process, but be the part of the process. Stay sticked over there. Slowly, steadily, you will start understanding. And the moment when you start understanding, at that time suddenly you will be liking the process. See my dear students, once and for all, we are going to give 10th, so we have to give 10th. And we have to prepare for 10th. However it is, whatever it is. So now whether you like it or you dislike it, you have to embrace it. Okay, I'm not trying to discourage you my dear students, I'm just trying to tell you that what attitude you should develop, what attitude you should have, This is for the entire syllabus, whether it is maths, whether it is geography, whether it is history. History is going to be even more boring, but then you will have to do it. You will have to find a way out of it, and we will find a way out of it. Okay, stay in the process. That is very important. Now coming to question number 3. Okay, so here, now in this case, what are they telling? P of x is equal to x raised to the power of 4 minus 5x plus 6. This is what they have given, but according to the standard form, x raised to the power of 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. This will be the P of x. For gx, you don't have to do anything else. What you have to do is 2 minus x square. You have to write this in standard forms. It will become minus x square plus 2. Now slight confusion. Okay, no problem. Let us see. Just a minute, my dear students. Because the first term itself is negative, so we will have to think about this, and let me do that thinking process. Yes, now it is going to be confusing. That's what I was wondering. That's why I told that let us go through the process. So this is now the division will be starting over here. So this is the P of x. And this is minus x square plus 2. Now what will happen? Because there is a minus sign over here, you will have to change this sign and write over here. I am very sorry for this, dear students. See, certain things are there now that you have to really understand. Means, see, one who teaches all is not a good teacher, and one who wants an explanation for all is not a good student. See, you must have realized, see, why does this get cancelled out? When I have the same signs plus over here, then because of this minus sign, this sign will get changed, and only then they will get cancelled out. When I have same signs over here, minus, and then because of subtraction sign, this sign will get changed, only then they will get cancelled out. And for them to have same sign, I have to copy this sign over here because I want them to have same signs. But unfortunately, if now I copy this minus sign over here, and if there would have been minus over here, so this minus into minus will make it plus. So now I have to change this sign and keep over here, because, and this happens when the first term of the divisor is negative. If the first term of the divisor is negative, what we will have to do? This is plus, I will have to write minus over here, because now this will become minus plus, and then these both will be plus. Try to understand. The moment things change, they look complicated, but are they really complicated? You also, the moment they go deep, you also go deeper, and I will take you deeper. Don't worry about that. I am giving you an explanation why and when. When the first sign is negative, at that time, whatever is this sign, reverse this, change this and write over there. And then the same thing, x square into what is going to be x raised to the power of 4. X square into dash is going to be x raised to the power of 4. Of course, x square. So I will write over here x square. Fine. Now I will multiply these both with this. Minus plus x square into x square, x raised to the power of 4, plus minus minus 2x square. So I'll write over here minus 2x square. Now the subtraction sign will come and this plus will become minus and then they will get cancelled. This minus minus plus. It is very important that this gets cancelled. So now we get this plus 0x cube. This will become plus 0 plus 2 will become plus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. Now here it would have been possible that you don't require this. But still now because we have written, then we'll solve it. This is plus. Because this first is minus, I will change this minus. It's not going to play a big role, but still. Okay, now x square into what is x cube? X square into x is x cube. Fine. And minus minus plus. 1 ones are no, but I want what? 0. Because I want a 0 over here. So 1 zeros are 0. Fine. Are you getting this much? Now I will do this minus minus plus 1 zeros are 0, x square into x, x cube. Then this will multiply plus minus minus 2x minus here plus minus minus 2 into 0 0 x. That's why I'm telling this is not going to play a big role. Subtraction, plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and you will be coming to the same step, but it's okay, don't worry. This is gone, so you will get over here 2x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, now same thing, plus I'll write minus over here. Now 1 2's will give me 2, x square into x to the power of 0 will give me x square. Right? So now my multiplication starts minus minus plus x square into 2, 2x square plus minus minus 2 into 2, oh here 4. Fine. So now subtraction, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. This is not going to play any role. 2x square minus 2x square is gone. Minus 5x will be minus 5x over here plus 10. Now we have to stop over here because this is x square. This has become less than the degree of the divisor. So we can't do anything over it. This is our remainder. So my qx minus x square minus 0x is not needed, but still minus x square minus 2. Okay, you can write it in this form also, or if you want you can write minus outside x square plus 2. If minus goes outside, this will change. You can write any of this, no problem. And rx is equal to minus 5x plus 10. This is rx. Okay, my dear students, with this we finish question number 3, I suppose, and then we have to do question number 2. Question number 2 is also going in the same fashion. Just a minute. So question number 2 is dealing with what? You can proceed. It is not a difficult or not a different question. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing second polynomial by the first polynomial. Basically the same process. Everything is same. Except what? See here. Whether the first polynomial, this is the first polynomial, is the factor of the second polynomial. Fine. So here first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. It means what? First polynomial is completely dividing the second polynomial. The second polynomial is going to be our p of x. Px is equal to, what is this? 2t raised to the power of 4, 3t cube, 2t square, 90 minus 12. This is px. and then you have got gx. You have to find whether this t square minus 3 is the factor of this. So you have to divide this and see. Division is the same process. Factor, when I will tell you, you must be knowing that still. Okay, so this is what we will have to do the division. Now you can try, my dear student. Pause the video, give it a try, do it till the end. Keep your mind cool, calm, and do. Whether it is wrong, no problem. Don't worry about that. Pause the video and do it, and then you can replay the video. I hope you all have done this. This will become t square minus 3, and then I write it over here, 2t raised to the power of 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 plus 3t cube 2t square 9t minus 12. This is started. So now because this is plus, so I will copy the same sign over here. Plus will say plus 1, 2s are 2, t square into what will be t raised to the power of 4, t square into t square will be t raised to the power of 4. Finish. This is done. So now I will multiply this both. Plus 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 t 1 2s are 2, t square into t square t raised to the power of 4, minus plus minus 3 2s are 6 t square. I will have to write it over here. Minus plus minus 3 2s are 6 t square. Subtraction, the plus will become minus, minus will become plus. This you can write 0. 2t raised to the power of 4 minus 2t raised to the power of 4 gone. This will become 3t cube minus 2t square plus 6t square. Minus 2 plus 6 will give you plus 4t square minus 9t minus 12. Again this is plus, so this also will go up, same plus. 1 3s are 3. T square into what will give you t cube? T square into t will give you t cube. Okay. Now again the same thing, multiply both now. Plus 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 1 3s are 3, t square into t will give me t cube. Minus plus minus 3 3s are 9t. So here minus plus minus 3 3s are 9t. Subtraction, the plus will become minus, minus will become plus. This goes further. 3t cube minus 3t cube is gone. Minus 90 plus 90 also is gone. What stays back is 4t square minus 12. This is 0. No need of writing that. So again the same thing. This plus I will copy over here. 1 4s will give me 4. T square into t raised to the power of 0 will give me t square. So now I will multiply t square into 4 plus 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 t square into 4, 4t square minus plus minus 3 4s are 12. Subtraction sign, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. This is basically 0. So now if you will see, division you have done. Now here qx is equal to 2t square plus 3t plus 4, and remainder is what? Since when the remainder is equal to 0, that means what? T square minus 3 is completely dividing this thing. Therefore t square minus 3 is factor of 2t raised to the power of 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. This is done. Whenever remainder is 0, it is a factor. Remainder is not a 0, it is not a factor. Reason, remainder, this is not equal to 0. Rx is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is not a factor. Simple. Otherwise, the question is same. Everything is same. Like the first question. Okay. So with this, we can proceed to the next question. Basically, it is second question only, and then it is second again. Now, px. Remember, the px will be the next one. 3x raised to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. 4 3 2 1 0. But right, gx is equal to what? X square plus 3x plus 1. This is gx. So now we will have to start the division. Okay, so starting division, x square plus 3x plus 1. This will be 3x raised to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square. Okay, fine. Fine. So we have reached over here. Now we will do the same thing. First is here, this is no negative, so same signs will be copied up. If this would have been negative, all the signs would have changed and gone up. 1, 3 are 3, x square into x square will give you x raised to the power of 4. I hope now you are getting this. Okay, now I will multiply. 1, 3 are 3, x square into x square, x raised to the power of 4. Plus, 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 you have to remember x cube, right? 3 3s are plus, 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 3 3s are 9x into x square, x cube, plus this is x square again, plus, 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 1 3s are 3 x square. Subtraction, plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. This is gone. Plus 5 minus 9 will give you minus 4x cube. Minus 7 minus 3 will give you minus 10x square plus 2x plus 2. Fine. So now this minus sign I will have to copy up. Then again 1 4 is a 4. X square into x will give you x cube. Fine. Plus minus, here also plus minus minus, plus minus minus, 3 4 is a 12, x into x, x square, plus minus minus 1 4x, 4x. Subtraction sign, minus will become plus, minus will become plus, minus will become plus. I hope by now you all are getting everything. Minus 4x cube plus 4x cube is cancelled. Minus 10x square plus 12x square. Minus 10 plus 12. Minus 10 plus 12 will be 2. Right? Minus 10 plus 12. This will be what? 2. Sign of the greater number plus 2x square will come as it is. 2x plus 4x will give you 6x. Again plus 2. Fine. Now again the division starts over here. Where are you? 1 plus sign first copy over here. 1 2s are 2. X square into raised to the power of 0 will be x square. So you have to leave it as 2. Now multiply everything. X square in plus 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 1 2s are 2 x square plus 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 3 2s are 6 x plus 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 1 2s are 2. Minus sign, plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Now if you see 2x square minus 2x square gone, 6x minus 6 is gone, 2 minus 2 gone. So this is the remainder 0. Now you will tell again gx is equal to 3x, not gx, qx, 3x square minus 4x plus 2 rx is equal to 0. Since rx is equal to 0, you can write over here by factor theorem. This is basically, I did not write in the first question. By factor theorem, this gx, what is that? X square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x raised to the power of 4, 5x cube, 7x square, x plus 2. This is done. Okay, so with this we have done the second question, and now we can go to the third question. What is the third question? In this question, px is equal to x raised to the power of 5 minus plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Q of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 1. Of course, you have to be very careful now because 5, now here there is no 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so now we will start the division of, we have to see division is starting x cube minus 3x plus 1. Have to divide x raised to the power of 5 minus, oh no, plus 0x raised to the power of 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so now proceeding further, what I will be doing is, see here, for the first quotient what I will require, x cube into what is going to be x raised to the power of 5, x cube into what is going to be x raised to the power of 5. So definitely you will see x raised to the power of 2 because 3 plus 2 will go to 5. So here I will get x raised to the power of 2, means x square. And now what you have to do is x cube minus 3x plus 1. This whole thing you have to multiply with x square, means this also will multiply, this also will multiply, this also will multiply. So x cube into x square will be x raised to the power of 5, that we know, x raised to the power of 5. Next is minus 3x into x square, right? Minus 3x into x square. That will be minus plus minus 3x cube. So that will come under the x cube, it will become minus 3x cube. Then again 1 into x square. Of course anything multiplied by 1 is anything. 1 into x square will be x square, but definitely you have to take care of signs. Plus 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 x square. Here you will get plus x square. Subtraction. Definitely my dear students, please leave this line and write these numbers. If the brackets are not there, then also it's okay. If you write a bracket, even then it's okay. What suits you, right? But definitely leave line. That is required. It makes the the checker's life easy. Now if I drag this down, the first term will have a coefficient 0. In that case we don't require this. Ideally speaking, this is the way to solve. I was knowing that this will not be required because 3 into here we already don't have x square. When we don't have x square, so x square into x square will be going to give me x raised to the power of 4. It was not there, but still you should always have a right habit of doing questions, because that otherwise it will be a problem. If it is going to come, if you are going to get x raised to the power of 4, then at that moment what are you going to do? And supposing if when you move down 2 steps and afterwards you require that missing power, then again what are you going to do? The best is that write all the powers. Now when I know that my 0 coefficient is going to be the first term of the step, I will not take it down, forget. I will go directly over here, minus 4x cube plus 3x cube. Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube. Things look like this, minus 4x cube plus 3x cube. This will give you minus plus minus, we have to subtract 4 minus 3, 1, sign of the greater number minus 1x cube. This will be minus x cube. X square minus x square will be cancelled, plus 3x plus 1. Now I have to start this division. This minus sign I will bring it over here. X cube into, of course, 1 will give me x cube, but then plus minus minus, this is going to be minus. Now again I have to do the same thing. See my dear students, x cube minus 3x plus 1. When I multiply anything with negative 1, everything is going to be same, but because of this minus sign, all the signs will be changing. That is the only difference that will be seen. So you will get here minus x cube plus 3x minus 1. Subtraction, the minus will become plus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So the new things have come up. minus x cube plus x cube will be cancelled, plus 3x minus 3x will be cancelled, 1 plus 1 will be 2. This is your remainder. So you have got it, what they have asked us to do. Okay, check whether the first polynomial is a factor, but that's all. So here what you will tell is that since r of x, basically first you will tell r of x is equal to 2. Since r of x is not equal to 0, therefore by factor theorem, x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of p of x. You can write, otherwise it is always nice to write the whole thing. My dear students, so with this we have finished with this question number 2. So here I will stop my video. 3, 4, 5 we will be doing in the next session. Okay, my dear students, thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, stay cool. Thank you.